Sugar baby now, got no honey baby now. All I can do is force it with you. Can't eat my life this way. Can't make a living in that way. Got no sugar baby now, got no honey baby now. All I can do is all I can say. Send you to your mama next payday. You back to your mama next payday. Got no use for that red rocking chair. We got no sugar baby here. We got no sugar baby here. Draw down my checks, man, every time I'm in. What was a poor boy supposed to do? What was a poor boy supposed to do?